happy birthday! I know, maulan yung birthday mo. I'm not sure if maulan din ba there sa CDO, pero I'm in Davao right now. And it's raining in Davao since last night. So, wala lang. Pero, anyways, sayang, I'm not there. Pero I wish you good health and happy 60th birthday. I know you're happy today. You're celebrating it with the fam and sabay pa with your apo, yes. And then what else? Basta I'm happy na but you know, 60th birthday. I'm so happy. And just stay young looking, stay smiling, because you know that's the key to success. And I hope you're happy with my not surprising, pero I'm happy, and I hope that you're happy with my gift. Wala akong maisip. So, yun. Happy birthday, Col. See you again very soon. And sana malasing mo everyone and mabusog mo everyone. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Woo-hoo-hoo. Sayang wala. Pero happy birthday, Col. Hi. Happy birthday. Love, love, love.
Hey, Papa, yung AJ, Papa, yung AJ, AJ, I'm AJ, Allah.